Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 6. Me your teacher Mushtaq Ahmad, subject teacher computer from Veria Foundation College, Naushad Feroz. Dear students, today we are going to learn about inserting shapes on your document. So dear students, to perform this practical you will have to press window key from your keyboard and a menu is appeared here, and you will have to see that where Microsoft Word is present, and you will bring the cursor on Microsoft Word and press enter key. So dear students, your Microsoft Word is opened here, and you will have to go to the insert tab. Okay dear students, and you will click on the shapes. So dear students, here the menu is appeared about the shapes that you want to insert on your document. So dear students, for example, you want to insert rectangle shape, you will have to select rectangle. Here you will have to insert rectangle with the help of mouse. So dear students, your rectangle has been inserted here. For example, dear students, you want to insert another shape. You will have to click on the shapes, and same menu is appeared here, and if you want to insert here star, you will have to click on star, and you can select stars here with the help of mouse. So dear students, for example, you want to insert a arrow shape on your document in the rectangle or another place of the document, you can insert arrow. So dear students, shapes, about inserting shapes that you want to insert on your document, you will have to click on the insert. Insert tab is one of the tools. Insert tab is one of the tools or the techniques that uses the tools that are used to be inserted on our document. So dear students, you can insert table on your document, you can insert picture on your document, you can insert clip art on your document, you can insert shapes, you can insert smart art, you can insert chart. So all these techniques are available in the insert tab. So dear students, you will have to decide which type of shapes, which type of picture, or which type of inserting tools you need. You can get the help from the insert tab. So insert tab enables us to insert any shape, any picture, any table, or smart art, or the chart on the document. So dear students, for example, here you want to insert chart. So you will see that chart is also available in the insert tab tools, and you will have to click on the chart. A menu displaying different or various charts is appeared here, and you will have to click on any figure or picture of the chart, and finally you will click on OK. Your selected chart will be appeared on your document. So dear students, here you see that your chart has also been inserted on your document. So dear students, inserting shapes, inserting pictures, inserting Inserting shapes, charts or tables are enabled to us with the help of insert tab. So dear students, you can insert any type of the picture, any type of the chart or any type of the table with the help of the insert tab. So dear students, here your lecture is ended and your homework is that you will have to type some sentences and insert these sentences into the table. So dear students, you will have to type some sentences in tabular form and send me on our WhatsApp group. Your lecture is ended here and we will meet in coming up lecture. Still Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 6.